Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a Town and Country minivan and I will show you how to enable or disable the backup camera. This video will apply to Town and Countries made from 2011 all the way up to 2016. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now the first thing I'll mention, cameras on these vehicles fail quite often, but before you decide to replace the camera, you want to make sure that it is enabled in the vehicle system. So what you will do, you'll press the menu button and then you will select System Setup. And here you will see backup camera, so it has to be check marked, right? If it's not check marked, that means your backup camera will not be working. You will not get any kind of warning on the screen that it's not enabled. So turn it on here, and if your camera is still not working, then you might want to consider pulling out the camera and cleaning all the connections and maybe even replace it. Now this camera delayed, this means if you have this enabled, if you're driving reverse and then you change to drive and start driving, the camera will stay on the screen for maybe 5 or 10 seconds and then it will shut off. If you don't have this enabled, as soon as you change from reverse to drive or park or any other position, the camera will shut off. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.